Did you know there's a plant that can fill your home with color, grow super fast, and practically takes care of itself? I'm talking about Tradescantias, a family of plants that's gaining more and more fans thanks to their beauty, toughness, and ease of growing. Today, I'll show you 20 popular and decorative varieties you can grow both indoors and outdoors. Some have purple leaves, others silver, or striped in green and pink. And the best part? Many grow fast, propagate easily, and are perfect for hanging or filling empty spaces. Stick around till the end because I'll also tell you where you can learn to care for them like a pro. Let's start with the most famous Tradescantia zebrina. Its leaves are elongated with silver, green, and purple stripes. They're shiny, with a metallic touch that looks stunning when light hits them. It's perfect as a hanging plant because its stems grow quickly and cascade in a waterfall of colors. It needs good light to keep its tones vibrant and is very easy to propagate from cuttings. Tradescantia pallida purpurea has a deep purple color that intensifies with sunlight. It's great for outdoors since it can handle full sun, heat, and drought. Its leaves are longer and stiffer, and it produces small pink flowers that make it stand out even more. Indoors, it also does well if it gets plenty of light. Tradescantia fluminensis has small, glossy green leaves. It grows as a ground cover, making it ideal for covering areas or hanging in tall pots. It's very hardy, but in warm, humid climates outdoors, it can become invasive, so regular pruning is recommended. Indoors, it does great with medium light. The fluminensis variegata has light green leaves with white stripes. It's widely used indoors because it visually brightens spaces. However, it needs good light to keep its variegation. In low light, it tends to turn fully green. It's perfect for shelves, desks, or to pair with darker plants. Tradescantia silimontana is easy to recognize by the white fuzz covering its green leaves. This texture protects it from sun and water loss, so it handles warm, dry climates very well. It starts upright, but later can trail. It produces small purple flowers among the leaves and looks great in arrangements with succulents. Tradescantia spathacea, also known as Moses in the cradle, has thick leaves, green on top and purple underneath, growing in a rosette. Small white flowers appear in the center, nestled like in a cradle. It's very tough and adapts well to both sun and partial shade. In gardens, it's used as edging. Indoors, as a structural plant. The tricolor spathacea is even more decorative, with leaves blending green, white, and pink. The pink gets brighter with good lighting. It's perfect for interiors, where you want a modern, elegant touch. It's more delicate than the plain version, so avoid direct sun. Tradescantia ohiensis is a less common but fascinating variety. It has long leaves and violet-blue flowers that open in the morning and close by evening. It grows upright and is often used in natural gardens. It blooms in summer and attracts butterflies and bees, perfect for eco-friendly landscapes. Tradescantia virginiana is similar but with slightly larger flowers that can be purple, pink, or white. Its stems are thin and can form dense clusters if left to grow. It adapts well outdoors and enjoys filtered sun. It blooms for several months, and pruning after flowering encourages new growth. Tradescantia nanook is a current favorite. It's a hybrid bred for beauty and strength. Its thick leaves mix green, white, and pastel pink. It grows compact, making it ideal for desks, small pots, or modern decor. It loves bright light, but no direct sun. Very similar is Tradescantia bubblegum, but with more intense pink tones. Perfect for those wanting a sweet, almost fantasy look. It's also compact, slow-growing, and with firm stems. Great indoors, but needs good light to keep its colors. Tradescantia sweetness has small rounded leaves in shades of green, white, and pink. It's low-growing and dense, perfect for small spaces or arrangements with miniature plants. It's delicate-looking and ideal for shelves or soft decor. Tradescantia green ghost has green leaves with a unique translucent shine, as if made of glass. It's rare, but valued for its distinct look. best indoors with bright indirect light. In deep shade, it loses the glassy effect. Quadricolor is one of the most sought after by collectors. It can show up to 4 colors on one leaf: green, white, cream, and pink. It grows slower but is stunning. It needs lots of light to keep variegation and dislikes excess water. Perfect for a focal spot. Tradescantia longips is compact, with short stems and striking flowers in spring. It does well in dry climates and rocky soils, ideal for rock gardens or as a border. Its shape is more controlled and doesn't trail like others. Tradescantia lilac has a soft, elegant purple tone. It brings a calm, harmonious feel to any space, perfect for well-lit indoor areas, and pairs beautifully with white or neutral pots. Low maintenance, but needs light to keep its color. Tradescantia pink panther has tiny, rounded, very delicate leaves. Its color shifts between white and light pink, growing like a creeping carpet. Perfect for hanging or edging other plants in larger arrangements. It's more delicate with watering. Let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Blushing Bride has light green leaves with a soft pink blush that intensifies in light. Very decorative and feminine. Perfect for calm spaces, bedrooms, or bright living rooms. It enjoys moderate humidity and steady temperatures. Tradescantia Silver Plus has a striking metallic look. Its silver leaves with green edges create a modern contrast. Stunning indoors with bright light and great for minimalist spaces. Needs good light to keep its shine. Lastly, Tradescantia White Velvet is similar to Scilla montana, but with even denser, whiter fuzz. Its texture is its charm. Touching it feels like velvet. Very resistant to sun and heat. Perfect for those who forget to water. Looks amazing alone or in xerophytic arrangements. As you can see, Tradescantias are not only easy to grow, they offer a huge variety of colors, textures, and shapes. You can mix different ones to create unique combinations in your home or garden. They're ideal for beginners, but also for collectors seeking rarities. And if you already have one or more Tradescantias, check out my other video where I explain how to care for them, keep their colors bright, propagate them, and what to do if they start to fade or get sick. Click the link or find it on my channel. After watching, your Tradescantias will be healthier and more beautiful than ever.